Despite what you may read on some fitness blogs, there's no better way to help your muscles recover than by eating healthy foods and getting a good night's sleep. Living an overall healthy lifestyle is the most important step you can take to maximize your muscle recovery. No recovery method can make up for poor nutrition and lack of rest. Many people believe they need expensive supplements to achieve results from their workouts. Although some supplements have benefits, you're not going to maximize your performance unless you're already taking care of the basics. Here are 6 proven tips to maximize your muscle recovery and help you build a more consistent fitness program. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impair your muscles' ability to repair themselves. You are especially prone to becoming dehydrated if you exercise in hot or humid weather. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends drinking 16 to 24 ounces of fluid for every pound you lose while exercising. Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Research has found that drinking tart cherry juice after exercise may reduce inflammation, muscle damage, and muscle soreness from exercise. More research is needed to fully understand its effects, but many studies published to date look promising. A typical dose used in research is 480 milliliters per day. Number 3. Sleep more. Sleep gives your muscles time to recover from exercise. People who exercise intensely need even more rest than the average person. Some professional athletes allegedly sleep 10 hours or more per night. Research has found that sleep deprivation may impair muscle recovery by impairing the body's inflammation reaction and the production of hormones that aid muscle growth. Number 4. Protein post-workout. When you exercise, the proteins that make up your muscle fibers become damaged. Consuming protein after your workout can help give your body the raw material it needs to repair this muscle damage. Research has found that 20 to 40 grams of protein, or roughly 0.4 to 0.5 grams or kilogram of body weight, is enough to maximize muscle growth. Number 5. Carbohydrates post-workout. Your muscles store carbohydrates in the form of glycogen for energy. During short duration and intense exercise, your muscles use the glycogen as their primary form of energy. If you need to rapidly restore glycogen levels in less than 4 hours, such as when performing back-to-back workouts, the International Society of Sports recommends consuming 1.2 grams or kilogram of body weight per hour, with a focus on carbohydrates with a glycemic index over 70. White rice, potatoes, and sugar are 3 examples of carbs in this GI range. Number 6. Massage. Many athletes incorporate massage in their training to reduce muscle soreness. A 2020 review of studies found that massage has a small but significant effect on improving flexibility and decreasing delayed onset muscle soreness after exercise. Whether you are training to stay in shape or are a competitive athlete, the best way to maximize your muscle recovery is with a healthy diet and a good night's sleep. No other recovery techniques are going to be able to make up for bad habits in these 2 areas.